What if your phone could capture the stars, power console level gaming, and last 2 days on a single charge? Welcome to the future. This is the iPhone 17 Pro Max. But is it truly a game changer or just another hyped up upgrade? Apple's back with a sleeker, lighter titanium frame. The bezels are thinner, and the 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR display now hits 3000 nits of brightness. Whether you're watching HDR videos or texting in sunlight, it looks stunning always. Inside is Apple's A19 Pro chip, built on 2nm architecture, 40% faster GPU, 30% more efficient. From 4K video editing to AI-powered multitasking and console-level games, it runs cool, fast, and smooth. Let's talk cameras. A new 48-megapixel main sensor, 12-megapixel ultra-wide, 10x optical zoom telephoto, and an upgraded LiDAR scanner. Astrophotography mode now lets you shoot the Milky Way in crisp detail, and cinematic video now at 4K 60 frames per second in full Dolby Vision. 2-day battery life, USB-C with Thunderbolt 4 speeds, and with Vision OS integration. This iPhone isn't just part of your life, it's part of your digital future. If you're looking for the most powerful iPhone ever, this is it. Would you upgrade to the iPhone 17 Pro Max? Let me know in the comments. Is this the future in your hands or just Apple doing Apple things?